Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is a fancy way of saying making computers think like us. Imagine a parrot that can not only repeat your words but actually understand what you mean and respond with something witty. That's AI, well, sort of. Instead of crackers and seeds, AI systems feast on data. They gobble up mountains of information, like a teenager devouring pizza while binge-watching their favorite show. This data gobbling helps them learn patterns and make decisions, just like you learn to avoid touching a hot stove after that one unfortunate incident. We've all been there. Now don't worry, we're not talking about computers becoming self-aware and plotting world domination, at least not yet. AI today is more about specific tasks, like recommending your next favorite song or telling you the fastest route home from work while avoiding rush hour traffic. So the next time you hear someone mention AI, just imagine that clever parrot. Except this parrot can write you a poem, compose a symphony, and maybe even beat you at chess, though we wouldn't bet on that last one. Now, how does AI actually think? Well, it's all about algorithms, which are basically like recipes for computers. These algorithms tell the AI system how to process all that data it's been munching on and use it to make decisions. One way AI learns is through something called machine learning. It's like teaching a dog a new trick, but instead of treats, you use data. You show the AI system tons of examples, and it gradually learns to recognize patterns and make predictions. Think of it like teaching a computer to recognize cats in pictures. You show it thousands of cat photos, because who doesn't love cat pictures? And eventually, it learns to identify those furry felines with impressive accuracy. Another type of AI is called deep learning. This is like machine learning on steroids. It uses artificial neural networks, which are inspired by the human brain, though much simpler, thankfully. These networks can process vast amounts of data and learn complex patterns, allowing them to do things like translate languages in real time or even generate realistic-looking fake news articles, though we really wish they wouldn't. AI is not some futuristic fantasy. It's already all around us, quietly working its magic behind the scenes. When Netflix recommends a show you might like, that's AI at work. When your phone's GPS guides you through traffic, that's AI too. And let's not forget about those virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, who are always ready to answer your random questions, set reminders, and even tell you a joke, though their comedic timing could use some work. They may not be able to make you a cup of tea, yet, but they're getting smarter every day. Even your toaster might be getting in on the AI action soon. Imagine a toaster that learns how you like your toast and automatically adjusts the settings for the perfect crunch every time. That's what we call smart technology. So the next time you're scrolling through social media, asking your virtual assistant for the weather, or even just making toast, remember that AI is quietly making your life a little bit easier and hopefully a lot more entertaining. The ups and downs of AI robot overlords and self-driving vacations. Like any powerful tool, AI has its pros and cons. On the one hand, it has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, transportation, and countless other industries, making our lives longer, healthier, and more convenient. Imagine a world where AI helps doctors diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, where self-driving cars eliminate traffic accidents, and where robots do all the tedious chores, leaving us free to pursue our passions, like finally finishing that novel we've been meaning to write. However, there are also concerns about job displacement, privacy issues, and the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes. After all, even a parrot can learn to swear if taught by a sailor. It's crucial that we develop AI responsibly, ensuring that it benefits all of humanity and doesn't turn into a scene from a dystopian sci-fi film. Because honestly, nobody wants to live in a world ruled by robot overlords. The future of AI, a world of possibilities, hopefully without the robot uprising. So, what does the future hold for AI? It's hard to say for sure, but one thing's certain, it's going to be an exciting ride. As AI continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly bring about profound changes in our world, both good and bad. The key is to approach this future with a healthy dose of optimism and a sprinkle of caution, ensuring that we harness the power of AI for good while mitigating its potential risks. Imagine a world where AI helps us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, like climate change and poverty. Imagine a world where AI augments our abilities, making us smarter, more creative, and more compassionate. This is the future we should strive for, a future where humans and AI work together to create a better world for everyone. A final thought on AI: it's here to stay, so we better make friends. AI is a bit like that new neighbor who just moved in next door. We're not quite sure what to make of them yet, but they're here to stay, so we might as well try to get along. By embracing AI's potential while being mindful of its limitations, we can create a future where humans and machines coexist and thrive together. After all, who knows? Maybe that AI-powered toaster will even make us a decent cuppa one day. Now, wouldn't that be something?